Feeling tired, dehydrated, or constantly getting sick? What if I told you? Your kitchen already has everything you need to fix that. Today, I'm showing you 7 powerful homemade juices that can hydrate your body, boost your immune system, and make you feel amazing. Starting with one of the most refreshing drinks ever. Welcome back to the channel. If you love natural health, simple recipes, and drinks that actually make a difference, hit that like button and let's get into it. First up, this ultimate hydrating drink. This drink is sweet, tangy, and incredibly refreshing. Watermelon hydrates your body, lime balances the sweetness, and ginger adds that fresh, earthy kick. Perfect for hot days or after workouts. Next, this is your body reset juice. Cucumber for hydration and antioxidants. Pineapple for immunity, lime for vitamin C. Ginger for anti-inflammatory benefits. Blend it all together, strain it, and you've got a tropical drink that cleanses and refreshes your system instantly. If you love sweet and simple, this one is for you. Use ripe pineapple, add ginger blend with a little water. No sugar needed. It's naturally sweet, refreshing, and smells absolutely amazing. This one right here, it's your glow drink. Carrots for skin and eye health. Apples for natural sweetness. Oranges for vitamin C. Ginger for that extra boost. Drink this a few times a week, and people will literally start noticing your glow. Now this is your natural medicine drink. Ginger and turmeric fight inflammation. Black pepper boosts absorption. Lime enhances flavor. You can drink this warm like tea or cold over ice. It's powerful, perfect for body aches, immunity, and overall wellness. This one tastes like vacation in a glass. Mango for sweetness. Pineapple for that tropical flavor. Orange and lemon for balance. Ginger for depth. It's thick, smooth, and packed with vitamins. Bonus tip, freeze it into popsicles. Finally, something a little different. Grapefruit for antioxidants. Pineapple for sweetness. Ginger for spice, rosemary for that unique aromatic flavor. It's refreshing, slightly bitter, and incredibly good for your immune system. Quick tips to level up your juices. Always use ripe fruits. Skip added sugar when possible. Don't waste the pulp. Use it for baking or compost. Store in airtight bottles to keep it fresh. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful natural recipes. Make it a great day and have fun in the kitchen.